Lalbagh, 7th of August, is ready for this year's Independence Day, the flower show. This year's theme is dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar. So there are a lot of arrangements have been done. Let us see. So 216th Flower Show, August 2024, dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar, Lalbagh, Bangalore. Beautiful flowers. So the place is ready for beautiful flower show. Lotus Buddha. சாமந்தி பூவோட வாசனை கும்முன்னு தூக்குது. கலர் கலராக பார்க்குறதுக்கு ரொம்ப ரம்மியமாக இருக்கு. Beautiful arrangements by the side of the glass house. We are going to enter into the glass house where they made a lot of arrangements. Full arrangements அழகா ஃபுல்லாக ரெடி ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு. Wow, in and around of this glass house, see the colorful flowers. Since it is dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar, you can see his picture. 216th Flower Show, Lalbagh, Bangalore. Very good arrangements. The arches are looking fabulous. Araha, over color la arch. Superb. சாரல் சாரலாக அலையலையாக மலர்கள். Vision of Equality Buddha, Breath of Equality Basava, Voice of Equality Ambedkar. This looking like a parliamentary building covered with roses. It's beautifully covered since it is Ambedkar's dedication, so we could see statue of Ambedkar. The other side of the glass house. What a big arrangement. Colorful flowers. Side full of greens. This is the white silk cotton tree. See the base, how it is spread. Lovely. This white silk cotton tree, where it can grow up to the height of 25 to 30 meters, is normally used. Even the sticks are very soft, so they for matchsticks also they will use. Otherwise they are for making pillows and beds. This tree is 200 years old approximately. Wow. The other view, the tree fossil bandstand is called Topiary Garden. So let's see what is a Topiary Garden. Rose Garden, Lal Bagh. Maharaja statue. This is Samraj Udaya statue.